Animals. The fight for survival. In nature, all animals are constantly fighting for survival. They have to eat to survive, as well as avoid being eaten by other animals. This gazelle is trying to avoid being eaten by the lioness. However, the lioness is hunting because she needs to eat. Strategies animals use to survive. Animals use many different strategies to help them survive. Some use their size, others their speed, some use poison, and some animals, like spiders, make webs to catch their prey. How animals defend themselves. Animals defend themselves to help them survive. They can run away, they form groups, they can hide, or they can use their poison. Mimicry. Mimicry is when animals look like other animals, for example the hoverfly, or camouflage themselves in their surroundings. The characteristics of animals. Animals are multicellular organisms. They are consumers, or heterotrophs. This means they feed on other living things. The nutrition function in animals. There are 4 processes for the nutrition function. The taking and digestion of food. 2. The taking of oxygen through breathing. 3. The distribution of substances through the organism. And 4. The excretion of residues. The taking and digestion of food. Almost all animals take their food into their bodies through their mouth. Animals can also have tentacles and beaks, not just teeth and tongues. The digestion of food. Digestion involves the extraction of useful substances from food and the excretion of what we do not need. To perform digestion, most animals have a digestive system. Breathing. Animals that take oxygen from water do it through their skin or gills. Here are the gills on a shark. Distribution of substances. Blood distributes oxygen and the substances animals extract from food around the body through the circulatory system. Excretion of residues. Animals excrete residues through the excretory system. So, the 4 processes of nutrition in animals is number 1, the taking and digestion of food, 2, breathing, 3, distribution of substances through the circulatory system, and 4, excretion of residues through the excretory system. The interaction function in animals. To perform the interaction function, animals have receptors, which detect information, a nervous system, which receives the information, initiates a response, and sends instructions, effectors, like muscles which execute the instructions. Animals react by moving, producing substances, or communicating, etc. Receptors. Receptors are usually sense organs such as the ears for hearing, eyes, sight, nose, smell, tongue, taste, and skin, touch. The nervous system. The nervous system receives the information from the receptors and elaborates a response. Effectors execute or carry out the instructions of the nervous system. Sense organs or receptors. Animals detect and react to pieces of information. These pieces of information are called stimuli. The sense organs detect stimuli. For example, eyes detect light, the receptors of taste and smell, so taste buds and the nose, detect substances, the ears detect sound vibrations, and in the skin there are receptors which detect pressure and heat. An example of the interaction function in animals. If an animal or a human is near something hot, the receptors, in this case the skin, will detect the heat. This information is picked up by the nervous system. Then the nervous system sends this information to the effector. In this case, the arm, muscle, or the tricep. This ensures or means that the animal or human is out of harm or danger. The nervous system. Neurons are cells which make up the nervous system in animals. What is the nervous system made of in vertebrates? Well, it is formed of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Effectors. Muscles contract when they receive instructions from the nervous system. They move the structures which animals use to move: feet, wings, fins, tentacles, etc. In vertebrates, these structures contain bones, which together with the muscles form the locomotor system. It provides support and movement to the body. Here's the locomotor system, which is made up of the muscles and the bones.